In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing repositories in GitHub Desktop. This happens when the app shows an empty or incomplete list, even though your project folders still exist on the computer. So we'll walk through restoring them without losing any commit history. Let's start by opening GitHub Desktop and confirming the missing list state. At the top left of the window, click Current Repository. You'll see the drop-down list of repositories, and this is where the entries are missing. Click on the main GitHub Desktop window to close the repository list for now. What's actually happened here is that GitHub Desktop has lost its saved list entries, but not the Git folders themselves or any of their commits. That means restoring the folders to the list is the fix, and we can do that with a simple drag and drop. Now let's add the preserved repositories back into GitHub Desktop. Over on the right side of your screen, open File Explorer so you can see your saved project folders. Click once on the first preserved repository folder to select it. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the second preserved repository folder as well, so both are highlighted together. With both folders selected, click and drag them across onto the open GitHub Desktop window on the left and release the mouse button to drop them in. Wait a moment for GitHub Desktop to add both folders to its list. It should automatically open one of the restored repositories for you as soon as it's finished. Now let's verify that both repositories and their history are back in place. Click Current Repository again at the top left of GitHub Desktop. Confirm that both restored repository names now appear in the list exactly as they did before. Click the first restored repository to open it. Then click History, which sits above the file list, and confirm that the initial README commit appears there just as expected. That tells you the commit history is intact. Head back to the top left and click Current Repository once more. This time, click the second restored repository to switch over to it. Then click History above the file list again, and confirm that its initial README commit shows up too. Both preserved repositories now appear in GitHub Desktop again, and each one opens with its existing commit history fully intact. Re-adding the folders repairs the app's missing list without overwriting, re-cloning, or deleting anything on your local machine. Congratulations, you've successfully recovered your missing repositories.